There are certain details that elevate a simple sewing project into a true work of art today. We are diving deep into the secrets behind that high-end flawless finish, couture pintucks and mitered corners. Many believe this level of precision is reserved only for luxury ateliers. But true quality is about discipline and the right approach. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve this couture standard with surgical precision. We are not just stitching, we are building a masterpiece, fold by fold, and line by line. Before we move to the machine, we must understand the technical architecture of the fabric. Every project has a soul, and in couture sewing, that soul is found in the perfect alignment of the grain line. I spend a significant amount of time pre-measuring and marking every single point. This preparation might seem slow, but it is the hallmark of a true professional. It is the silent work that happens before the first stitch is ever made. As we prepare our fabric for the most critical part of the process, pay close attention to the intersection points. Now, we have reached the heart of the project. This is the moment where most people struggle. Inside this video, I'm sharing a very specific professional method, one you likely won't find in any manual precision pin matching. This hidden technique, which ensures that lines and pintucks align perfectly with millimeter accuracy at the miter point, is exactly what draws the line between a hobbyist project and true couture craftsmanship. It's a subtle move, but it's the ultimate key to perfection. At the heart of this work, the golden rule is precision. Even a single millimeter of misalignment can break the aesthetic flow. And always remember, when executing this technique, 50% is stitching, and the other 50% is pressing. To lock in the shape, we rely on the iron at every single stage of the process. So, where else can you apply this high-end technique? From elegant table mats and napkins to luxury duvet covers and coverlets, this method is the signature of quality. I truly hope these tailoring secrets inspire your next project. If you enjoyed this masterclass, I would be honored to have you join our growing family here at Lara Sewing. Please subscribe and hit the bell so we can continue this creative journey together every day. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Tell me, which project will you use this technique for first? And if you found this helpful, please share it with a fellow sewing lover. Let's grow and learn together. Now, let's prep the fabric and begin the work. Enjoy the show.